Sculpture Week is actually a brand new event that's going to be held at the end of September here, September 26th, which is a Monday, all the way through October 2nd. And it is an opportunity to celebrate public art and support the City of Sculpture as well as Pyramid Hill. I like to think that between Pyramid Hill and the City of Sculpture, you can see over 120 pieces of art, many of which are one-of-a-kind pieces you're not going to see anywhere else. And that's all within a few miles. And most of it is walking distance. Come see a live carving demonstration where we're going to have 3 artists from around the United States here in Markham Park crafting 2 complementary pieces of limestone sculpture that are going to be roughly 8 feet tall. They're going to do that all during Sculpture Week, and once they get done, one of those pieces will stay here in downtown Hamilton, the other will go to Pyramid Hill, forever kind of binding our organizations through this collaborative piece of art. All week, we also have a Dine to Donate, which is supporting the City of Sculpture. All of those places are donating a piece of their proceeds for the entire week to the City of Sculpture. Support your local businesses while supporting public art.